how to get this look, keep watching. We're using the Cut Crease canvas by Makeup Revolution. Then going in, blending a cranberry color from the Too Faced Peacock palette. Then going in with a deeper cranberry just to give it that depth. So make sure when you do this, you want to do your windshield wiper movements back and forth just to get that good blend for the cut crease, because it's all about the blend. You just want to keep deepening it and then start your cut crease. Once you feel that your cut crease is deep enough, and then just go ahead and carve the shape out that you want, and then go ahead and fill that in. So once that's filled in, I'm gonna go in with my eyeliner and kind of fill that in, just to give it that double cut crease look. And then using the lighter shade, I went in with my fingers. I always like the foil look using my fingers. Then going in with the blending brush and then making sure that's blending into the liner. I did use the gel Anastasia liner in jet. And then going in with the NYX liquid glitter shadow in gold. Just cleaning up here, making sure everything's sharp. Then going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender, using the Maybelline Fit Me. Just having some fun. This is what happens when I get ready. Then going in with the Maybelline concealer in medium. Using Lash by Linda in the style Mava. Then going in with my bronzer from Too Faced, from the Peacock collection. And to set my face, I am using the Luxury Setting Powder by Makeup Revolution. Then going in with my Morphe setting spray to set everything. Now just applying the Anastasia-amrezy Highlighter. You can't go wrong with that. It's so pretty and subtle. The lip combo that I'm using is the MAC liquid lipstick in Cafe Latte, I think it is. And then going in with a orange tone lipstick. Not really sure the name of it, but I did get it in my BoxyCharm. But these two mixed together are really pretty. under the eye with a bluish color from James Charles palette. It's really pretty. And this is the finished look. Thank you for watching. See you soon.